To change our 2.4 megapixel camera into 1 megapixel or analog, first click on PTZ control, then click on plus iris button, then move down to the video settings and click on plus iris button, then go down, click on the left button, add 720p, camera is on 1 megapixel, apply and reboot by clicking on plus iris button, then camera will convert into 1 megapixel. If you want to convert it into AHD, CVI, TVI mode, then apply and reboot. To convert into analog, go to CVBS setting and go to apply and reboot and click on plus iris button, then camera will convert into analog.